everybody. Evening, everyone. Good evening. Every day, your name is this. Oh, now good evening. Oh, let me invite my friends. Come and join Celine. Let's discuss. Guys, how are you doing, my beautiful people? Where my friends they went Sabi. All right, let's come and discuss. Let's come and discuss. You get this Ogbonge topic when I want to throw more light on. Where is my sister? Let me bring them. Jesus, how I know, I call in your name, Jesus. Every day, your name is the same. I don't have copyright to this song. Oh. I don't get copyright to this song on Facebook. Oh, let me get some. All right, people. Let me see. This evening, I just make I bring this topic to put smiles or let's discuss. You know, let's throw more light on this beautiful topic I just brought to you. We are going to be discussing, as you can see there. Share this video, guys. You can also follow me on YouTube. Make I see whether I fit. Let me put my name on YouTube here. So you will never follow me for YouTube. Go follow me for YouTube now. Go subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like I told you guys before, I'm going to be bringing more of interesting gists. So eye-opener. Most times the gist that there will be eye-opener. Gist when we say topics, interesting topics when we say people are going to be they'll get educated. Topics that are going to also educate people, helping people. But this time around, you can also show your let's know your opinion. What do you think about this one? You go still let us know, because like I said before, we all they learn. So I come in peace. You know, every time I come in peace. You know, so I tell them I say I go to bring topics when go they educative, you know, educational topics or educative topics. Topics that one or two persons go still here, go take and learn. You understand? So many people feel they one position, one situation, or make I put them like that. They feel they suffer from one thing or the other, but you know, you can also share and let them join this live broadcast this evening. I'm trying to bring my friends, lovers of Celine, make I bring them come so they can also join. Okay, this evening, what we will discuss on now still on marriage and relationship, but this time around we are going to be discussing on a man. Guys, share this video if you like this topic, because this topic will make brain where will not be small. So you won't be man. Take for example, you are a woman. Okay, you be woman and then you don't marry, and now all this while you and your husband don't they stay. You know, most especially for here, for Europe. You get husband. So even if you be saying no be house, you know him. You've not known that guy. You didn't know the guy right from Nigeria. Share the video. Share this video. Share. When I share the video, make we learn. And when I go see go YouTube, go subscribe to my channel, because from my YouTube channel, I go to bring Ogbonge topics. Like I said before, we all in school we they go, we still they learn. And also if we see our sisters and our brother when they some kind of situation, you know, we can also use people's story, take and join our own. Then they talk and say, pikin will not get person when they teach them something. If he say pikin will get papa and mama, I be how they talk him. He said the one will not get go they take advice. The one will not get go they listen to those ones who get. They will take those advice. They you know run their own show. So now take for example, you na man or you na woman. Okay, man say you be woman. And you don't deal with this your husband for so many years. You don't deal with your husband for a long time. I don't lie. You and your husband don't date. Tele. You know, Bible say tele. You don't date. And this man, I don't date Europe. Now this country, una date diaspora. Wanna share this video. So now, this your husband, they go Nigeria, normal level, you know. Go tell you say, honey, they go Nigeria. Based on say you there with the children. And you know, una don dey. So this man na in dey travel go Nigeria, you na for your own mind now, you know say na your husband, nothing dey happen. You understand? And all this while when the man dey go Nigeria, he gets where for the, you know everything now, get where for the knack. Get one babe when they knack, if you reach that side, normal level. Don't say body no be firewood. That's what men they talk. You say if you chop ogbolo, you see chop banga. So probably the man don't they chop ogbolo, they chop egusi for here, which based on your egusi. So as he reach Nigeria, it's okay, may he chop for ogbolo, may he chop small how do they call them? ECU. So now that ogbolo when your husband won't chop, you can't find out say before as soon as they into relationship anyway, you don't let this guy know say, honey, look, oh, I get daughter for house. Because so lot of people don't get one or two before they come out for house. You understand? So you don't tell them, say, the man, they aware. The man is fully aware, say, you don't born for house. Not be say, no, no. And now, that's your daughter when you get for house. She don't grow. That one, her sister. You understand? So that daughter come up to be one grown-up girl. When we say, she don't even go polytechnic or she don't go university commerce. Not knowing fully well, say, when your guy go reach house, now your daughter is a knack. You know that kind of level. All those kind university babes. You know, you tell your husband, say, fine, you get grown-up daughter for house. And based on say the man never see him. Probably the man know the picture. You don't see picture of your daughter, your daughter. And now you and the man they here. When they plan to do a court wedding. You understand? Now, based on say the man they travel go Nigeria regularly every time. He can't begin to chop your daughter for Nigeria. He chop and chop and chop and chop and chop. He just chop and steady. Now your daughter I tell they arrange. Now your daughter I tell they, you know, now be in pillow when you reach Nigeria. Now they press ping pong. Okay, and people be they give you the gist. Say, my sister, or that for where I say Nigeria men, he get one shark girl, one small pikin when your husband they, you know, when they enjoy himself. But based on say you you don't pay, you just pay their fee, say no level, nothing. Tanto if they do finish now, they will still end. Then last, my people, you can't find out now, say, your husband not only say he put money for that girl head, which is your daughter, not be say he put money for her head. Now the girl is 6 months pregnant. You know, now your daughter is, the girl is pregnant for the stepdaughter. Your daughter they pregnant for your husband. Now what you go do? That will not be waiting person they pray to find, you know, to find herself, not be situation or not be waiting person they pray, because so many people they pass through such things every day. So many people they suffer from those kind of things. You know, man go begin they run shows with his stepdaughter, and now that girl don't get belly. So waiting you feel say that woman go do. Your opinion, man, tell me. Oh, just would they rapport. And the girl don't get belly 6 months. She's 6 months gone, and the girl fine gone. Now this man, as I come find this woman when they come find her say, now in Peking, now your husband just the lash. All this why? Just the lash and steady. Now in the lash if you reach house, and the woman don't know say na her daughter. Now this kind of thing don't happen. The girl don't get belly 6 months, and this woman now for here, they plan to do court wedding. So the woman don't vex, she don't paro say she not go do again. But if we still look at na blood, that daughter, that woman picking na her blood. So wetin be your own take on this? Wetin be your take on this? Let me see. What is your take on this? Should that woman leave the marriage? Should she forget about the man, or she should carry on with the court wedding? The woman no fit kill the pikin because na her pikin, na him born am. You understand? And in this case, this man no know say na him stepdaughter. The man no know say na him stepdaughter, and the girl no also know say na him stepfather, na the husband of the mama for here for Europe. But now they don't run shows and issue don't enter. So wetin you feel say the woman go fit do? That woman went there for here. Now the woman now they say okay, she won't leave the marriage. He won't leave the marriage. He won't leave her for him daughter and the husband. So now, if na you, or if na it happened to be your friend, what is your advice? Mama, good evening. Mama say, what is the topic of today? Mama, the topic of today be say, Mama, I be like say you come late. Okay, Mama, the topic of today be say, this man dey, in with this woman don't dey for long. They dey for Europe. You understand? So they don't dey now that they plan to do their court wedding. And based on say this man, they always they travel go Nigeria. They go they do things. Okay, and that woman so gets grown-up daughter when she born that time when she did Africa. So whenever this man reach Nigeria, now the woman pikin now it they enjoy himself. Now the woman pikin they 247. Now the woman pikin now that man they chop. Automatically the man they sleep with the step daughter. Make her put him like that. So now this woman don't find out say her daughter is 6 months pregnant for her husband. My people. So now, what will be your own take on this? Mama, now what will be the question, the topic of the day? Now they explain so. Make the woman come up for the marriage, or make the woman accept the man and allow the child, normal level, now her daughter. So what you feel say that woman go do? Because now the woman they in people I say she's just scattered, like her life, say her life don't they chattered. She get chattered life. Say all these years. If to say the man still go do one with another person for make sense, but in your daughter, when he born, now this man can't go the lash. My people waiting that woman will feed do. Waiting when I say that woman will feed do. Make she come up for the marriage. Because if she come up for the marriage, it no go change anything. The deed has been done. The girl has chopping the forbidden fruits. Yes, so the girl has already eaten the forbidden fruits. So the girl now is 6 months gone. Children are gift from God. So probably automatically that baby is going to come. That girl go born that pikin. Now wetin the woman go do? This kind of thing don't happen. Now wetin if you say the woman fit do? I bet make I see on her own. What is your take on this? What if you say the woman go do? Make she stay for the marriage, or make she forget about the marriage? For me, or forget a marriage, I'm gonna forget a marriage. Emi no sunu ne. Over here, that na kovone. He picking don't chop over feeding already. But wait, oh, this man, oh, if I say we still looking from the other ground, this man, oh, this girl picture. Person tell you saying get daughter for all these years, all this while, and that man, for me, oh, everybody they get their own take. For my own take, the way I tell you, for me, this man, you know, according to the story, the way the thing be, they say according to what me here, they say the girl already knows say. In papa, that's his stepfather, they come to Nigeria every time. The way I tell here and the way I tell you, I say, the girl know about this stepfather. And sometime, somewhere, whenever the man they Africa, the girl they go they greet his stepfather. So nobody say they don't know. You understand? So the man know say this girl and his stepdaughter. Nobody say no know. Maybe some men just lock up based on say more do like say we don't know each other. And now the man can see continue to the to the chop that girl. To the extent. You can't use and take do traditional marriage. Now the girl they pregnant. Waiting this sister will do for here. Big mama over to you. Waiting the woman go fit do. Should she leave the marriage? Make she leave the girl and the husband, the daughter and the husband, make them marry. Or make she continue with the marriage. So Mama Sami, what is your take on this? Guys, let me see what you think about this, because so lot of people they suffer from this kind of marriages, this kind of thing like this. You understand? You know, say now the stepdaughter, you still go ahead, go they chop that girl. For crying out loud, there are other girls out there. Because I don't say they say if man chop a goosey go chop banga, but you suppose know say that girl na your stepdaughter. For my own, I just a reason for my own perspective. You know, say this girl na your stepdaughter. You're not supposed to chop am, because for me, na forbid and na waiting na forbidden thing, na abomination. So what is your take on this? If the man should impregnate the stepdaughter, do you think the woman should remain in the marriage? The daughter is a grown-up girl, and this man they go Africa every time. But now, whether not coincidentally, the man now can't get to start to run shows with his stepdaughter, and not even running shows. He went ahead as far as paying her dowries. He went ahead to even do traditional marriage. The traditional marriage will not do for the room ahead for you. You can't go do it for that girl head. And now the girl can't even chop belle full. So what you gonna take on this one? The woman make she remain for the marriage, or no one baggage, no work back. So what do you think? What do you think the woman can do? So guys, let me see your take. Let me see what you think about this. Now this kind of thing. We know it's an abomination. It don't happen, it don't happen. The woman don't cry, don't cry, don't cry, don't cry. But she cannot kill herself. It don't happen, it don't happen. So what if you say the woman fit do? What be your advice? This one not be what person they pray. Not be situation where person they pray to find herself. But now the thing don't happen. What should she do? She's going to probably forget. She'll forgive her daughter because daughter, now blood is thicker than water. You understand? But now, is she going to be a grandmother? I don't want to even put herself. A grandmother to, I don't understand. A grandmother to, how will I use that word? Grandmother to, okay, go say, her husband, Mamma mia. So guys, what do you think? What do you think the woman should do? Should she continue with the marriage or should she just pack and go? Now baby has already entered this case when they talk, so the daughter is already pregnant for her husband. So there's nothing she can do about it. That baby has already come. Baby don't enter. So and they don't do marriage. Fine. Even if the families they say now abomination, this kind of thing never happened before, and the woman just have to forgive and let bygone be bygone. But in this case, the woman now they talk say okay, she go come up for the marriage. Even if she come up for the marriage, and how she go feel to see say na her daughter, and the man now he pay the money, he do traditional way, he pay her dowry, he pay that daughter dowry, the same dowry when the man never pay for her head. You understand? So what is your take on this? Let me see what you think. What do you think the woman should do? Should she forgive them and let them be? You know, may she forgive the man. May she say okay, carry on with the daughter, or may she just kukuma pack her load. May she come out. Okay, that means okay, you know. Okay, somebody is telling me here now. See what if somebody tell me now say the woman, he say not be say the man no say na that woman daughter. Now be waiting this. He say not be say the woman, the man no say na the woman daughter, because fine they don't dey for a very long time. They see the girl pictures, and he say according to this one, they say whenever the man go Africa, the girl they go they greet am. The girl they go greet am based on say his stepfather, his mama husband. You understand? So okay, this one they tell you now say not be say they don't know, not be say both of them don't know. The girl know the man, say na his stepfather, and the man know the girl, say na his stepdaughter. But they still went ahead to start doing that thing. So that means now waiting there now from their mind then. No be say it happen coincidentally, or no be waiting happen say they don't know each other. So since the man already know say, look, this girl now my stepdaughter, now mama now I deal with for Europe. My mama now be my wife, and the girl know say okay, now this man now they marry her mother. And now these two still went ahead, you know, to do the undo. So that means now, okay. Okay. No, you would have come and write it here, bro, because you write am for inbox here. As you write am, now only me want to see am. We suppose come if we write am out. Okay. All right. Somebody just told me here that the woman should not leave the marriage. Okay, you think that the woman make the woman not come up for the marriage? The woman shouldn't leave the marriage because Now wetin she don suffer for all this while. So the woman make she continue, make she stay for the marriage after this abomination when it don happen. Okay, that now okay from your own view, abeg. Okay, that one na still a nice one. Somebody they tell me here say the woman should continue with the marriage after he don't give his wife he pikin belle, and after the husband don't impregnate. No be say they don't know, no be say maybe na mistake. So this one here they say make the woman stay for the marriage, make she not come out. Another one still they say okay. He say make the woman disown her daughter. No, even if the woman disown her daughter, for me, even if the woman disown her daughter, it will not change anything for me. Oh, because na im pikin. He say as far as both of them know each other, because whenever the man is in Nigeria, that girl always go to visit him, so they know each other very well. So your own take on this is that the woman should disown her daughter. I bet that one another good one. He said, my husband say maybe the daughter is hot. Let's see, they call the right hand for inbox. Okay, this one say no. Okay. See, okay, I like this one. This one comment now. This one is also nice. This comment he said the woman have to accept and continue with the marriage. Sorry, the woman have to adopt. Sorry, the woman have to adopt that. No, even if the woman adopt, automatically when that daughter born, now the woman granddaughter, now the woman grand pikin, now that girl can call her daughter. Okay, he said the woman have to adopt the girl's daughter and see and cover up. My sister, we not dey pray make person not dey for that kind of shoe. See wetin this Mariam here they tell me say the woman have to adopt that pikin, that pregnancy, as in the pikin when the daughter they conceive. Automatically whether the woman adopt or not adopt her, na im granddaughter, now we dey talk so. And continue say the woman make the woman adopt the pikin, then and just seal everything, make she not let anybody know. My sister, you no go fit do am. You don't understand? Let me see, let me answer this girl. You know what fit do am. I went outside. No, this one not be waiting. She go fit forget. She cannot just forget. Say okay, now my daughter be this one. Make I forget about her. I know say wetin happen. Say it already happened. The deed has been done. But now my own concern be say since that man here now people they tell me say the man know the girl very well. You know say na your wife stepdaughter. Una ya anya she. That man no go make heaven. And now they say both of them know each other because that girl now feel all those girls will be say, you know, they know they fit stay one place. They are still not they let them put for one place. Okay, now out of the old men, the old boys when they, you won't tell me say this girl now not see person. When you come be say na in mama husband, now you can't go they lay with. And not be say just in lay say chop and clean out. Oh, you can't make sure say that man go put some money for your head. When you know say that your mama they marry here for Europe, you can't still make sure say you get belle. That girl na bad pikin. That girl na bad pikin. Yes, omo die no. Those kind pikin, akme and your mother, you wash them come up for pikin. Okay. See this one. He say maybe. Oh, that's it. He say maybe the woman something is not too sweet, so the daughter's always do. My sister, even if the woman something is not sweet, as far as saying na a husband, if to say they never date together, say okay now they plan to go do court wedding, and that man now they always they travel. You can't put to say, and the woman they always they tell them say, honey, when you reach us, go and check on my daughters. You go sit there in daughter say, her husband go come, go make sure say you look for them. I get things when I still give and make he give you. So that means the planner now waiting the plan. Nothing of the mind. Before person go say, okay, I want to lay, I want to put you for bed. Make you open. Say make you open. Put one leg for Termini, put the other leg for Napoli. Now waiting the plan. You understand? Now plan work. So probably for me, I feel say maybe No, this way. This way. Okay. He said this one. They say he get if he gets wetin mama do him daughter, now he make the daughter show him like that. Because now do me, I do you. My boy now, okay. Joshua Kennedy. Joshua Kennedy, you not get the be pass. You not get the be pass. You not get wetin mama go do in pikin. When you go warrant say, don't go afford am. You not get wetin the mama go do in pikin. When you go give am that right to go sleep. What you dey talk so? Some people just dey talk like say this one na family issue because now from the two parts. See, bros, if I say me you can't comment, maybe people dey see am for here. This one you come dey write for my inbox, so you get the way it be. He say he gets wetin the mama do the girl. When I listen to comment, how could people no? He say he gets wetin mama do the girl. Now he make the girl dey retaliate. When make the girl go sleep with his mama, his stepfather. You know guy won't be. You know get wetin pikin won't do him mama. So now miss you they tell me now say Joshua this now I'm talking back to you. Are you trying to let me know that, or you are trying to tell me that girl, that means as a mother and a daughter, mother they offend their children, mother they offend their daughters, they forgive. No be say that girl will go ahead to go to sleep with him mama husband when it happen to be her stepfather. Bros, that one not to enter. That one not to enter at all. That one not to enter. No. Okay. Wait. Take this one. Tell me. Water. But some people they comment, so the thing. Somebody go just be like, say, hey, I don't understand. Where foul for shit? This has not be abomination. For I bet where you from come? If you say if you call this guy for call him. Where you from come? He say from where you from come. Say not be abomination. So this will they tell me now say, what are they see? Oh, see this guy. I bet wanna hold on. Just hold on. Hold on, guys. Hold on. 1 minute. What are not vessel? Okay, where are they just now? Okay, see, I'm when I see this guy. Where you call that time for here? All this kind of wuru thing. You said not be abomination. Okay, for on our side, mama they sleep with stepfather they sleep with. Okay, stepfather they sleep with stepdaughter. You said not be abomination. Where you from come? Where are you from? As far as I'm concerned, me I don't say in Nigeria. Where you from come? So as the woman sleep with the stepdaughter, no be problem. Ara, no wahala. Maybe the guy is paying his mother back for not taking her. For not taking her handle. Bro, see whether if you connect here. May you come from Anambra. You be Nigeria now. Okay, that means for on our side. Joshua, this I'm asking you this question. For that means for where you from come. From our state where you from come. Papa fit sleep with his stepdaughter, no be problem. That means you they try to tell me say for that same una place where you from come. Mama and his son feel lay together. No be saying abomination. From where we from come, that kind of thing not they happen. That kind of thing not they happen. This one now. Okay. But some people I don't know why some people just they write like say no. If to say this guy fit calling and for like him, see whether if he calling, may you talk am with your mouth. This one when you dey talk, when you dey write so now you dey try to tell me now say you when be Joshua, Joshua, this question na to you. You are trying to let me know say you go fit sleep with your wife pikin. That is what you are trying to tell me. So no be abomination from una side. You when be Nigeria, as the man sleep with him stepdaughter, when it be like say automatically or it happen to his daughter, because stepdaughters, it go still be like say na you born her, even if not be you give that woman belle when it born her. But now the fact that the man accept say your stepdaughter, your pikin na my stepdaughter, I take am as my own pikin, and now the man don't give am belle, you dey talk say no be abomination. It's a normal thing for where you came from. Okay, can you do such? You fit do am. Bros, abeg go sleep though. Make I see. Una see wetin human be dey talk. If to say you fit call in, Joshua, I would have just appreciate. So the woman now, I don't understand. Bros, even if you be Igbo, we all in Nigeria. You understand? I don't know, me na believe for where me from come, that kind of thing. Na abomination. Abomination to the highest level. You understand? This woman, they try to tell me, say, okay, as this, the girl now go sleep with his stepdaughter, his stepfather. And according to the story, now they say they know each other very well. Because whenever this woman they go Nigeria, if they say in Pekin say, my husband will come, you say our husband will come Nigeria. Go greet him based on saying your stepfather. So two of them know because the girl they go they see the man every time. Yes. And the man knows say na his stepdaughter. The girl knows say na stepfather. That girl still get mind, or two of them still get mind, say okay, make them lay together. And not even laying together. You go see her people. When you know say na the mama na dey with you for here for Europe. You go see her people, put money for that girl head. Put money for the girl head, and now the girl is 6 months pregnant. Now this brother now they tell me say na normal thing from where they from come. Where you from come? You say na Anna Brian from come. Ma, thank you. Okay. No, Joshua, I know that you are just talking. You just the right. Not be say, I know say no fit do. I'm just the call the right for here. Make the for say you yes. Okay, no problem. Bros, you dey take my attention. You dey take my attention because No, Joshua, see, let me tell you something. Even he said you are trying to tell me, say he said the woman has done a lot of things, lot of nasty things all her life in Europe, that she shouldn't complain. It's a payback something. Are you serious? Bros, I bet you hold on, make I do what when they see what people they write here. He said I pay back something just because the woman don't do nasty things. But the woman don't get any time. You don't say it's offend that girl. You know, some people they travel just because they won't make their children they okay. Some people they travel come up for her because of one thing, one situation or the other. Now this woman she fit travel come up for house long ago. How many years ago? Come make sure say that pikin she train her daughter to the extent of making her go to university. Mama, when you train you go university level, Joshua, you they tell me now say the woman when you train her daughter go university level. You can't tell and say, okay, look, since he and the papa not there again, he don't get man when he marry, when they stay with here for Europe. So anytime when the man they come, the man go come they visit and based on saying his stepdaughter. So make you see the man as his papa. He said, see the man as your stepdaughter. Now you they tell me now say he not me because the woman has done so lot of things, so lot of nasty things all her life for Europe. Bros, you don't know this woman. You understand? So you know you don't judge a book. You don't judge a book by the cover. You have to read the book before you go know the content. No, from Benin when I've been an abomination. If you not be abomination from our side, an abomination. Joshua, if you want to comment, you come here. Or if you want to call me, come here so that Because now they take my attention, come another side. All right, now they hear what people they talk. Now they hear what this guy they comment here. The guy here is saying that the woman has done, because the woman don't do so many nasty things all these years. So that means as the pikin can't go sleep with in stepfather, no be any problem. He said no be abomination, because you people are from Anambra, me are from Benin. For me, that one a big abomination. Abomination. Benin when I from come. Chest when another man don't climb. Bros, I beg. All this your comments is just wait a bit. I know you are not for real. So if you this one, cause this on a normal person, responsible person, no go write this kind of thing. Okay. I beg. This boy. So where you from come? Where you came from? Are you trying to tell me now where you came from? You from the Anambra way for come, Joshua. You dey try to tell me now say you go feel somebody like una go fit sleep with your pikin. Somebody like you. Joshua Chinedu. Somebody like you go fit sleep with your daughter. Because the way you take the talk, you're not clear. So as this kind of thing don't happen, I made the woman relax. No, that is your own opinion. That's not your own comments. That is what you think. But for me, it's a big letter no. The woman have to let them be. For me, For me, the woman have to let them be and probably continue with her life. Because I know say me no fully well say that marriage not feel old again because say obstacle don't turn to family issue. You understand? So for me, the woman should forgive her daughter. Because there is no way she go feel say, okay, she won't disown her daughter. Her pikin and her pikin. I bet bros, wait. Her pikin and her pikin. For me, if I say make I talk my own opinion. If they look and say, okay, since the both of them, they knew what they were doing. They not do and say na coincidentally or say na this thing can't happen by coincidence. They already knew themselves. And they still went ahead and eating the forbidden fruit. So for me, if I may, I would just say the woman should forget about the marriage. Yes, the woman should forget because that kind of man when go fit sleep with his daughter, if they born their own pikin, the man fit still lash am. The man when get married to sleep with his stepdaughter, that man can equally do that same thing to their own biological daughter. So since the man disregard the stepdaughter, the man go fit still do the same thing to their own daughter. If peradventure that woman born for her. So for me, I think the woman should leave the marriage. Since the daughter won't marry, let her marry. You go leave the marriage for her. Make them continue. Because that kind of a marriage, na abomination. That woman no fit there for that marriage. When she knows, say, the husband don't go pay dowry for her daughter head for Nigeria. And the daughter is 6 months pregnant. So I see no reason why the woman should remain in that house. Because for me, you have to just let them be. Anything away marriage. Let them be. But one thing she should forget, make she forget and forgive and forget. Because even God himself, they forgive us. Even God, even when they want nail Jesus Christ to the cross, he talks say he don't forgive them because we don't know what they do. So the woman should just calm down and make she put her mind down because I know say it's not going to be easy for her to see or undergo such an act of abomination to the highest level. Because abomination, since you say not be abomination for Anambra, where you from come, from where we from come, no, that one not they happen. You understand? So the woman should forget and carry on with her life. Make she leave her daughter and the step father. Make she leave her daughter and the husband. Because man when responsible, man when be say in head correct, no go do such. Now only irresponsible man and men when be dogs. Because this man will tell me say he no see girls for Nigeria. Even if you want change soup, you want change soup, you want chop banga and starch when you reach out. You know if you go to chop that girl banga because you know say that girl now your wife picking. Joshua beg, obviously your comments, it's very annoying. It's really somehow. You don't comment such. You come into my inbox, they call they write this kind of thing. It does not make sense now. It does not make sense. If you know that what you are doing, these things when they comment, when they call they write here. If you know say they make sense, just come and write it out. You don't comment such. You can sleep with your sister, no problem. But Ben, that one on our own. So guys, thank you so much, and so if you sleep with your sister, no problem. You not be Igbo. Me, I don't say be Igbo, but you say now Hannah bride from come. Now they forbid now, no problem. But when me from come, we they forbid something. You understand? So it's this boy. Why will I waste my time replying? I'm not going this boy now. I don't want to use another one. Use anyhow word for you. Don't let another word come out of my mouth. Okay, no problem. When I see human being, see Uncle Wisi. Uncle, good evening, sir. Thank you, brother. When I see what this boy they come comment, you see another them be this. You see, Joshua, why don't you come? I'm not saying no if you call. If you call my messenger, this one where they talk, so that you call and let's hear, more hear, instead of coming here to chat. Because you just the chat now, because I see they come the right here now. That's to show, say, when I see what human being they talk. Now people like Una, they're not really picky for now. When I see say some men, some irresponsible people, people like this kind of boy. You know, really picky for now, say, my brother, I'm coming, oh, help me look, baby. Now people like Una, they spoil small children. People like Una still exist. People like you are the ones that spoil children, that abuse little children. If you are trying to tell me here that it's a payback something, how can you say it's a payback something? No matter what, bros, maybe I'll call you after this live broadcast. No matter what that girl doing, mama, you never hear that word when you say, if you use this hand, be picky, you use the other one to carry them back. See this one. You're commenting anyhow. Okay. Alright, no wahala, no problem. Please don't, you are distracting me. Don't, just hold on, yeah? Hold on. But this, maybe you just that they do them, they forge them. If they want they forge, can't they? Because I know say the thing not in your mind. Alright, I'll talk to you later. So my people, when I see how people take their crew. Somebody they tell you say, this boy, you cannot, no, just hold on, don't distract me again. Somebody is telling you here that her husband that used to go to Africa impregnated her daughter, and here is another person created by God. You are telling me it's normal, it's a normal something, because probably the daughter is trying to pay back. I don't understand. Because say the daughter won't pay back. Which payback you won't pay back? Which payback she won't pay mama back to when go warrant her to go open legs for a mama husband? I don't see any payback for them. Which payback she won't pay back when go warrant her to allow that man to go put money for her head? Money when the man not pay for your mama head. You they say now pay back something. No, everybody gets their own, no problem. Later I'll talk to you. You understand? So guys, now see if you can also leave your opinion. What do you think? Should she stay for the marriage, or may she come out? Or she just forgive and forget and let bygone be bygone? For me, my own take on this one is the woman shouldn't, she should not just do anything stupid, like, you don't already put money for it. So she should continue to marry the man should continue to marry the daughter, the stepdaughter, because before they see each other, even though not the woman tell them, say, my daughter, her husband go come see you. That's your stepfather. Anytime when in Africa, may you go see him, because you get things when I give her. That girl not be small picking. Picking when they say na university, picking when they go university, 20-something, 30-something, not be small picking. That means she know what she they do. You understand? So now a thing of the mind. Not just that she's being wicked, and even the man, they are both being wicked, because they also kept this one, they kept this whole thing from this woman. They kept it for a long time from this woman. And now the man stupidly, if to say the man go meet the family, Probably he tell am say, okay, I'm not sure say the man love the wife when they here. Because if to say he love her, number one. If you love person, you not go hurt him. If to say the man really love him, or the man regard am say na him wife, maybe he not regard am to be him wife. Because he look am say he not put money for her head, he not pay dowry. But even as at that man has no rights. You know, a man not gets rights to go do wetin he do to the daughter. But for me, I'm going to stop here. I'm going to draw the curtain here. For my own opinion, the woman should leave the marriage. Yes, he should leave. Some people make she leave. She go leave the marriage because the daughter don't already start the marriage with the man. There's no need. There's no sense for her to continue. You know, living inside that dubious, or how should I put it? That na disgraceful marriage. Knowing fully well, say your husband they lay with your daughter for Nigeria. If you say chop and clean house, but lay with the daughter, can't still give her belly on top. Then you cannot tell me that she has to stay in the marriage. So this kind of women, and then you can see some women, they will be depressed, like they'll come, you know, depression and depressed and what have you. Some will come end up committing suicide. So instead of her to think of such, let her just walk away, you know, peacefully. Forgive the daughter, forgive the stepfather, that's the husband, which is the stepfather to her daughter, and wish them a happy married life for the sake of that unborn child that is coming to life. Because when she born that pikin tomorrow, that pikin is going to be referred to as her grandchild. You understand? So for me, she should just let bygone be bygone and leave everything to God. You know? So me no say marriage will not work out for her and the man. No go also feel work out for her daughter and that her good for nothing husband. So thank you so much. Let me draw this curtain. Man, I'll go deal with this boy later. Let me draw this curtain here. Thank you so much. If you got your opinion, you get anything when we say you won't contribute, you stop disturbing my inbox. You can also contribute, and some people you know, this one not be say they say now what really happen. Things they happen for this European day. Things they happen. They say now as it be for men. Now so it be for women. So now 50-50. Things they happen. Now this same Europe they goes here say Papa begin they do pikin when never reach anything. Now this same Europe you go here say Papa begin they abuse child of 9 years. Things they happen. And this one are waiting go really now eye opener for everybody when don't get children. Now eye opener for people when they always they leave their children for people say okay, like this boy they talk now. They tell me say na normal thing. If they tell me say na payback, is a payback something. Because all these years when the woman don't live for Europe, she has done so many nasty things. Now the daughter they try to pay back. Bros, that one not be payback. That one is just a heart of wicked and foolishness. That daughter is just being wicked. This time around, they are both crime mates. The daughter and the man, the so-called husband. God forbid, such husbands not even supposed to they exist. So even that man, when he go sleep with the daughter for Nigeria, if they leave small pikin for her, all a cool boy your way, they are not called to be men. Sorry to use that word. Some men can have a dirty heart. Some men hearts. I don't know, some people, some men hearts, like say they tire for back. Some men, they tie their hearts for back. Some men go do things, they know the reason. Look and say, this thing when they do so, waiting go be the outcome of it. Some men go just get mind to destroy. You know, even if Ikechuku they say, no, he say, no, this might not be charm. And now what you say, okay. Now what you call right now, we see. He said maybe the man charmer. Probably the man was charmed. Who charmed the man? The girl. The man was charmed to sleep with the girl. Bros, you never hear what they talk now. Say, this man has been going to Nigeria. Not be today, start to go Nigeria. So that means the man has been charmed for all these years. The man they don't charm us in that time for all these years. When we say, if you reach Nigeria, now that woman, daughter, now until they step down. He didn't do it with his clear eyes. I bet brother, go sit down. Just they talk like say, I will not be angry anyway because now take her so I should not fall. Okay. Okay, let me ask you something. Let me reply this guy. She will fall down. One day they see this. Where you from? Which village you from? Comat. Okay, one Anna Brown kill her. So for Anna Brown, now they do such things. I just they hear now. No, you cannot, you know, see, bros, you don't know what, you cannot conclude like that, my brother. Ikechukwu, you cannot conclude like that because you don't know what happened. Yes, you don't know what transpired between them. Even if anything happens, say, if peradventure say anything happened between the daughter and between the mother and the daughter, he not give that girl, he not give that, he say the man was charmed. Maybe the man was charmed by the girl. When I hear what it's my brother, they write for you. He said maybe the man was charmed. So the man they don't charm the man for all these years when they go Nigeria. You they sleep with your stepdaughter. So that means the man's eyes has been closed for so many years. Now they see person. Maybe the man was charmed for so many years. That means as the man they go Nigeria, if they see road go, they enter plane, they buy ticket, they're not charmed. Now when he reach Nigeria, he not see other girls. Now his stepdaughter, now he can't begin go they do man and woman thing with. Not even doing, you know, having sexual intercourse, what have you with the girl. He went ahead as paying her dowry. And not be saying he pay her dowry, the man went ahead to pay the stepdaughter's dowry. After you don't enjoy the girl finish, you will come Europe, go enjoy mama. You see rich Africa, go to enjoy the girl. You pay her dowry, now you still give her belly, 6 months pregnant. You are telling me that the man's eyes, the man was charmed. Now so they say the charm person for our village. Ikechukwu. Oh God. People there. All right, no problem. No wahala. All right, so thank you so much, everybody, and you see, I thought as much. I knew you were joking. The only advice you have for the mother is to forget and carry on with her life. But you know, say she has to forget. Then you were beating around the bush, telling her to do this one. That means you can also do what the man did. So guys, no, just be careful. Be careful. Be careful who you leave your pikin with. Be careful. Because some men, not to just distress small children they did. Because automatically, even if this girl is an university babe, you know, she knew what she was doing. No charm was involved. No charm was involved. Just say some girls, they will be say, they know they put their team for one place. Some men, they will be say that their team, they need to even cut them. Some men, they pim-pom. Some men, they will be say, they not go even put their team for one place. Some men still they when be say, anything as far as they say that fee, as far as they don't get that F, no, they don't even pronounce the female fee F. They know they won't care. They know they won't use ear. You know whether not small picking, whether not be small picking. So now they be careful. Now just they careful. And people when be say they don't marry before, they don't born, they don't get 1 or 2 picking before. This one are eye opener to such people. So people like that, you understand? You have to know the man you are marrying. You have to know the man you are marrying, and you have to know what that man can do. Waiting the incapacity, waiting if you say he go fit do. Because if to say this woman know in husband all this while, I'm not sure say the woman really know about him, because they say that they tell am say this man he carry woman, they do this one, but the woman not they won't listen. You know, say some sisters they will be say they just they desperate, they want to marry. They want to marry. Marriage not be the height. But what if at the end of the marriage and everything, you are not happy in that home? You understand? So many people they marriages today that they are not happy. Some people they pretend they didn't mean so marriages. They're not they happy. When some people go open and tell you what they pass through for their homes, for their marriages, you go they even they fear say if not so marriage be no be so. Marriage, I don't say marriage na sweet. It's sweet at the time, it's still they bitter. But some people go there, they prefer to say they want to leave that bitter side of it. They want to be it. So say, let me manage. So people when they manage marriage, make I manage. You know, say marriage na lifetime thing, make I manage them. You know, if you stay married, because now waiting you go do forever, now lifetime thing. You cannot keep suffering and managing something at the same time. So probably the woman was managing the home. Make I manage her. She no won't give ear, pay attention to waiting people they talk. So if to say she not they manage, and she was paying attention, she for no say this kind of thing it they happen whenever the man go Africa. May God help us. May God help some men, and also may God help some women. Those women that are desperate. So thank you so much. Ikechukwu, make I come call you. Thank you everybody, and have a stay blessed people, and have a good evening from me to you. Bye bye.